welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. Today I've got a witch casket unboxing for you guys, and I'm going to be unboxing May's box. I'm very excited about it. Let's just get straight into it and see what we've got in the box this month. Okay, so witch casket, Moon Magic, May 2020. This is different. What is this? This isn't the content thing, is it? Oh, this is very different to what I've been seeing, what we normally get. We normally just get like a card like this that tells us the contents, but it seems like this time, I don't know if this is going to be a new thing moving forward or if it's just a special for this month, but it kind of has it all in here, which is kind of cool. I like it, witch casket. So we're so excited with our May casket, and we know that the theme is what you've been waiting for. So here we go. Let's do it. Let's see what we've got. So we've got some artwork. We always get a little bit of artwork. These are all going on my wall because I love them every single time. That's very cute. Is it? Is it? Is it? Yes, it is. Oh, we've got a little note, ritual notes. I love that. A ritual notes little notepad. So we've got plenty of paper there to be writing things we need to be writing. Something smells beautiful. And I don't know what it is yet, but we were gonna find out. Witch casket. Ooh, what's in here? Full moon ritual kit, and there's everything you need to unblock the path to spiritual peace. Let's have a look. This is a different quality as well. I'm noticing slight differences this month. I wonder if they're... I mean, I've found it since I started to be very, very high quality, but maybe they've even upped the game a little bit. I don't know. What have we got in here? Oh! Oh, okay. So we've got a white floating candle. Thus here. Something then just gave me a massive urge to watch Casper. I have no idea where that came from. That was a little bit weird. I don't know what happened then, but okay. We've got some lavender, some red clover flowers, a bowl of water. We got a bowl in one of the other kits, and a pin or other sharp object, which hasn't come, but we will most likely have a bad slash pin in here. Anyway, I'm going to start growing my own plants, and I'm going to start growing, I definitely want to get some lavender. I want my own little lavender plant. Also aloe vera, my mum has so much aloe vera, and aloe vera, I don't know if any of you guys have aloe vera, but it grows like heck. I've already got some, but I'm going to be getting, I'll explain at another time. Ooh, Moon Magic pin. That's super cute. How cute's that? I love it. That's really, really cute. I like that. That is really cute. I bet they make them, like, I bet they just, oh, I don't know, I just find this company amazing. Like, I honestly do. So we've got a little, what is it, thing here. I always rip these, it's really sad. I wonder where witch casket is actually based, like where their base is. That's something I might have a little look at. How to make moon water. Some uses for moon water. So this one is all about moon water. Love that. Love that. So excited, you guys. Oh, I just love these boxes so much. We have got some, oh, how do you say that? It's Jasper, but how are we saying it? Because I'm terrible at pronouncing these words. Moon water, essential oil blend. Guinea, it's like guinea pig. So guinea fowl Jasper. Guinea fowl Jasper. I mean, if I'm saying it wrong, I'm very sorry. But let me show you it, because Jasper's a really pretty stone. I don't actually think I've got any of this. Oh, where's the box? Where's the bloody box? There it is. So that is our jasper. It's quite a nice big chunk of jasper, that as well. switch casket. This beautiful stone is believed to protect against negative energies. A grounding stone, it can also be used to stabilize your own energy and aura. Guinea fowl jasper can aid relaxation and bring comfort and tranquility and a sense of calm and courage when needed. Lovely. Love it. Love it. I'm actually really enjoying filming these videos, guys. I'm not even joking. Right, we have got some ancient wisdom pure essential oil. We've not got any essential. Oh, so there's no incense in this box. This is the first one where we haven't got incense, but we've actually got an oil instead. Peppermint, lemon, and frankincense. Ooh. Woo! Oh, I like that. That is strong, but I like it. How much have we got in here? I mean, it's 10ml. Lovely, love that. I keep saying lovely. Do you know what? That is not a word that I use, but apparently I do now. Things are changing, my loves. Things are changing a lot at the moment. What have we got? Oh, a little pencil for moon magic. That's a really cute little pencil. Oh, how cute is that? That's so cute. We've got his notepad. We've got his pencil. We've got Dragon Moon Loose Tea Leaf. Dragon Moon. Can I do something else with these tea leaves? Because I just don't know if I'm ever going to want to drink them. But can I use it for something else? Like, can I burn them to make them smell nice? You know what I mean? In fact, it doesn't really smell, this one. Just a little bit, but not massively. Either that or I've lost my sense of smell again. That would not go down very well. Oh, I'll tell you that right now. No. Ah, is this a coaster? I think this is a coaster with a little moon. So it's got the moon cycles on it. Let me just check to see if it is a coaster and I'm not just being silly. I'm not seeing a coaster anywhere on here though. A6 art print. Is that this? No. Is it? Moon phases display. Oh, it's a moon phases display. It's to go on your altar, guys, but if you want to use it as a coaster, like for serious, no reason why you can't do. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not going to say out more of it because I feel like a twat now. But yeah. It's the moon phases, guys. Cute. Right, what else have we got? What's in here? Ooh, moon gazing statue. The perfect way to represent growth, rebirth, new beginnings and abundance in your magical space. It's some kind of statue. Can't open it. Oh, it's because it's got this tied around it, that's why. Idiot woman. I'm not the brightest, you know, in case you hadn't already noticed that. Oh, that is so cute. I need to make sure you can see this properly. I mean, it just says witch casket on it, but how cute is that? It's a little bunny. Oh, love that. Oh, love it. It's even got a little pentagram on the front. I'm on a chair that spins round and it's really frustrating. It won't stay still. And then finally we have a Moon Magic water bottle. Well, a Moon Magic bottle. Oh, oh, that is so pretty. Moon water, guys. We've got a bottle for collecting moon water. How awesome is that? I could use this to put my crystals in and put them out under the moon to charge them and cleanse them. Wow, okay, wow. Witch Casket, you do not fail to impress the shiz out of me. Love it. So, okay, there's not really much more for me to say. I really enjoy this box. I enjoy every box, every month. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below letting me know what you think. Let me know what your favourite thing out of this box was. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye!